Hello friends, welcome back to the new video. Today we are going to talk about how to change wallpaper in Vivo phone. Guys, you want to change your wallpaper in Vivo phone, so you can change. In this video I will show you how to change it. So let's see how to change wallpaper in Vivo phone. So first of all open your phone setting to change wallpaper. Then guys click on lock screen and wallpaper. Then guys click on wallpaper. So which wallpaper guys you want to change, and guys you can see download more, so you can download from here. And guys local image, click here, you have. So I have guys this download wallpaper, and guys all photos, so you can go and change your photo wallpaper from your phone. So I will click on this download, so we will change into elephant. And you can set from here like that, crop it. Then guys you can see lock screen, home screen, set as both. So it's your choice, so I will click on both. And guys right, you can see this click right. So I wallpaper will change in your Vivo phone, and now you can see. So I think friends you have understood how to change the wallpaper in Vivo phone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching my video guys. Now we will meet on next video with new topic. Before guys, please go and like and subscribe my channel. Bye.